The Cossain Folding Piano with 61 keys is a versatile instrument that allows you to play music anywhere and anytime. Its lightweight and portable design, weighing only 4.4 pounds and folding to a compact size of 17.72 inches, makes it perfect for travel and easy storage. The piano features a weighted keyboard that provides a sufficient range for learning and practicing music, making it ideal for beginners and those looking to master basic techniques. With MIDI and Bluetooth connectivity, this folding piano can connect to educational software, apps, and other devices, enhancing its utility in live performances and practice sessions. It comes equipped with 128 types of tones and rhythm patterns, 15 demo songs, and multiple functions like sustain, vibrato, chords, and metronome for comprehensive practice. This piano makes an excellent gift for all ages and occasions, such as birthdays and holidays, and Cossain offers dedicated customer service to assist with any inquiries.